2, the unboxing of the squishies and the dumplings we were able to get today. Our first store was Target, and we were able to get 2 of the peach squishies. Give me the Five Below. We got the duck squishy.
I like that.
We got 2 of the babies. One of the duck cubes. We got 5 of the dumplings. And it was a limit of 3 per person, so I got 3 and my daughters got 3 each. Open yours. Ooh, you got orange.
Is it like Amy?
It's like Amy's, yes. What did you get? Imagine.
This one's not pink.
I want glitter or pink.
You got orange. What did you get?
Glitter or pink.
Girl, so far we've gotten all orange. Let's see. We have 2 left.
Yay!
Ooh,
You got yellow.
yellow. What did she get?
Uh,
Yellow. Okay.
I won't open
Oh,
the
this one
baby.
feels different. It feels nice. Oh, this one's nice.
It's like a type of squish.
This one has
Oh, look at
It has a butt too.
you.
Mine has a duck.
A diaper? Oh.
Is it like Michi baby?
Yeah.
And it's green.
Oh, that was our haul. Thank you so much for watching.